don't you still know how to use questions and negatives in the present continuous? Jesus Christ, it's so bad, again the same. So my name is Mr. Mark and I'll beat you today. Okay, just kidding, I'll teach you how to do it, how to learn and cope with all these negatives and questions in the present continuous, alright? So guys, let's move on to some examples. I'm giving you English classes for free. You know about that, yes? But as you know, I'm an angry teacher and I can say that I'm not giving you English classes for free, okay? So now we have to cross out the verb am and write down am and not. Okay? I am not giving you English classes for free, guys. So there will be a link below on my debit card, alright? Okay, just kidding. So far it's for free, alright? So A, I, and am, we can contract plus am is I am, alright? But you cannot contract am and not, alright? So we can say like, I am not giving you English classes for free, alright? So let's take another example. John is playing hooky right now. So playing hooky means misses classes. So John is missing classes right now. So he's so naughty, that John, alright? But if John is obedient and he is visiting my classes right now, so we can say John isn't playing hooky right now. So you see that is plus not gives isn't. So we can cross out the word is and we can put is plus not isn't. Alright? John isn't playing hooky right now. He is such an obedient guy. He is visiting all my classes. Hooray! John, good job. Alright, so the third example, you are playing computer games nowadays. You are all playing computer games nowadays. You'll never achieve success if you play computer games nowadays. Okay, but if you are learning with Mr. Mark, you can cross out the verb are and put here aren't. So why aren't? Because are plus not gives aren't. So now we'll move on to the second part of our video about the questions in the present continuous. Okay guys, so let's move on to the questions and I'll teach you how to form the questions, alright? So let's take the same example as we took before. Here is this. I am giving you English classes for free, alright? So this is like a positive sentence and our task is to make up 5 sentences. I will give you 5 types of questions to the present continuous, alright? So here they are. General. The general is a question to the whole sentence. We have to find I am. So I am, we exchange. We change their places. Okay? So I am I giving you English classes for free? So this is the question to the whole sentence, alright? Did you understand? I hope so. Okay, the next question is special. So do you remember how to form the special questions? The special questions are formed with the help of the auxiliary pronouns what, where, when, why, whose, how much, how many. And let's imagine, guys, that there is no English classes here, okay? We don't have the information about the English classes. So our task is to make up a question. So what kind of question can we make up? What, right? English classes is what? So we put what for the first place, then am I giving for free? So what am I giving for free? Don't forget that we have an inversion here. Am and I are changed. They are not in the same place as it was in the positive sentence, alright? What am I giving for free? So we have what? Okay? So this is an attribute for the special question. Okay, so let's move on to the third question. So question to the subject. So where is the subject, guys? Yeah, okay, so it's I. The I is the subject. And we have to make up a question. Imagine that there is no I. Oh, no I? I have I. Oh, no, it's this I, not my I. This I, alright? So, now, let's imagine that there is no I and we need to ask what? Not what, but who. Who is already, not am, but is, because who is always the third person singular, guys. The third person singular is always in singular. So who is giving you English classes for free? It's probably me, yeah? But we don't know this information. We don't have this information, alright? So who is giving your English classes for free? Okay, the next type of questions is alternative. Alternative question is such a question when we have a choice. When we have an alternative. We can choose. So am I giving you English or Chinese classes for free? Is it Chinese, guys? I hope not. It's not Chinese. Maybe for some of you guys it's Chinese, but it's English, guys. English. Okay? But it's an alternative. Am I giving you English or Chinese? So here is alternative. We use it by means of or. Okay? So English and Chinese are two alternatives. Okay, and the last question is a tag question or a disjunctive question, which is formed by means of the tag, the question tag. Okay? So let's write the same sentence once again. I'm giving you English classes for free, right? Then we put a comma and we add a question tag. So how can we add the question tag? If the sentence is in positive, the question tag must be in negative, alright? But, yeah, I got you guys, because he is an exception. I am, why am I not? You can say am I not, but it's old-fashioned, right? Everybody says aren't I or ain't I, okay? So I'm giving you English classes for free, aren't I? If it were such a question as he is giving you English classes for free, it would be isn't he, alright? Because he is a positive, isn't he is negative. So homework for you guys. Yes, I knew that you dreamt about the homework for the next time. So now I'll erase this I am giving you English classes for free, and I'll put here Mr. Mark. Oh, Mr. Mark is giving English classes for free. And now your task will be to make up a negation, like a negative sentence with this sentence, and to make up all types of questions, including general, special, question to the subject, alternative, and the tag question. It will be your homework. So guys, before we wrap up, you know that you have to subscribe to my channel and like this video and share it with your friends and followers. Otherwise, you'll have to pay for your English classes.